Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this lovely Range Rover Velar D240 R Dynamic S in Santorini Black. This car is next due for a service in February 23 and has previously had only one owner. You have 21-inch gloss black alloys, along with privacy glass, which keeps your personal items safer. A powered tailgate with plenty of space there in the back, but you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. And you can close it using that button or the one on your key. And carrying on around the car, you do also have keyless entry, so if I lock the vehicle, I can open it just by pressing this button as long as the key's nearby. Our dynamic tread plates and a gorgeous part leather, part suede interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light and also to open on a nice sunny day like today or just for a bit of fresh air. Different driving modes including eco, comfort, grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts and sand. You also have heated front seats, which is definitely ideal in the winter. A rear view camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier. Along with eco data, which tells you how well the car's been driven, for example if you're braking too hard. And valet mode, meaning you can lock the screen when your car's being cleaned, so a valeter can only access your climate control. Voice control, which will then ask you what you want, so you can do things such as changing the radio station or calling people, enabling you to keep your eyes on the road. Cruise control, a speed limiter and lane departure warning, along with memory seats, which is handy if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 23,917 miles. Stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a gorgeous Velar. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.